Fine, but if it ever tells me I'm scratching my head too much during your presentations, I'm blaming you.
Okay, there is a human in the loop. If you have any questions, go for it. If I keep getting generic stuff from humans, we might as well talk to a robot. Might as well talk to a robot. This is essentially a conversation summary that we are having with a developer, which is another model. So anyway, it's a recursive thing. There's a bunch of models talking to one another. Welcome to the new world. And we will be doing training in a sec. Well, actually, these two robots will discuss if the code we have for training is complete or not.
All right, let's dive into this train.model.py script. It's a machine learning pipeline for training two models, one for binary classification, target versus non-target sequences, and another for gesture classification, specific gestures. It's like teaching the computer to recognize behaviors from wrist sensor data.